بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 35. Indefinite pronouns. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one or people and pronouns ending in thing for things. Pronoun ending in body: somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. One, someone, anyone, no one, everyone. Thing, something, anything, nothing, everything. Example: everybody came at the party. No one cares about me. It was a bright day. We could see everything. Now part D. Choose the correct and definite pronouns to complete each sentence. The store is full. We don't need to buy anything. The right option is option A. We don't need to buy anything. Number 2. I forgot my purse at home. Can someone give me a bit of money? Option C is the right option. I forgot my purse at home. Can someone give me a bit of money? Number 3. Isma is a very good teacher. Everyone likes and admires her. The right option is option A, everyone. Number 4. I went to Salim's shop this morning, but there was no one at the shop. The right option is option D, no one. Number 5. Everyone was ready to go for picnic. The right option is option C, everyone. Everyone was ready to go for picnic. Number 6. Don't worry, everything will be fine. The right option is option C, everything. Number 7. It's up to her, so somebody should tell her what to do. The right option is option A, somebody. Number 8. We had known all the facts, he said. We found out nothing new. Option C is the right option. Number 9. The holidays were great. We could do everything we wanted. Option D is the correct option, everything. Number 10. There is nowhere to go in winter in this city. Option A is the correct option, nowhere. There is nowhere to go in winter in this city. Students, this is your homework. Do page number 35 in books. This is your homework. Do page number 35 in books and share with us in WhatsApp group. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.